Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we dive into the much-anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, a smartwatch that redefines adventure and fitness technology. With its rugged build, cutting-edge features, and superior functionality, this device is designed to impress both adventurers and athletes alike. So, let's explore everything this smartwatch has to offer, including its standout features, rumored improvements, and why it might just be the ultimate wearable for 2025 and beyond. Design and build quality, rugged yet refined. The Garmin Fenix series is renowned for its durable and rugged aesthetic, and the Fenix 8 Pro is set to uphold this legacy while introducing subtle refinements. Rumors suggest a slimmer and lighter design compared to its predecessor, the Fenix 7 Pro, making it more comfortable for extended wear. The introduction of a titanium ceramic hybrid bezel not only enhances its aesthetics but also boosts scratch resistance, ensuring it can handle the toughest adventures. In addition, the Fenix 8 Pro may feature a brighter and more vibrant display, ensuring optimal visibility even under direct sunlight. This improvement is critical for outdoor enthusiasts who rely on their smartwatch in various lighting conditions. Advanced display technology, a visual upgrade. One of the most exciting upgrades for the Fenix 8 Pro could be the adoption of AMOLED display technology. Unlike the transflective MIP display found in the Fenix 7 Pro, an AMOLED screen would deliver richer colors, deeper blacks, and a higher resolution. This would significantly enhance the user experience, making the display more engaging and easier to read. Dynamic refresh rates might also be incorporated, balancing visual quality with battery efficiency. This technology could adapt the screen's refresh rate based on usage, ensuring a seamless experience without compromising on battery life. Battery life, pushing the limits. Battery life has always been a standout feature of the Garmin Fenix series, and the 8 Pro is no exception. Enhanced solar charging capabilities, combined with a more efficient photovoltaic layer, could dramatically extend battery life during outdoor activities. Paired with software optimizations and a potential increase in battery capacity, the Fenix 8 Pro promises to set a new benchmark for smartwatch longevity. Whether you're on a multi-day hike or an ultramarathon, the Fenix 8 Pro's battery performance is designed to keep up with your lifestyle, offering unparalleled reliability. Health and fitness features, a new standard. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is expected to introduce significant advancements in health monitoring. An upgraded optical heart rate sensor is rumored to provide higher accuracy across diverse skin tones and activity levels. Additionally, the inclusion of real-time ECG tracking could be a game-changer, offering detailed heart health insights on the go. Improved sleep tracking with more detailed metrics and actionable insights might also be on the horizon. Athletes could benefit from expanded sports modes and advanced endurance metrics, making the Fenix 8 Pro a versatile tool for both training and recovery. Enhanced GPS and navigation, precision redefined. Leaked information suggests that the Fenix 8 Pro will feature cutting-edge multi-band GNSS technology, delivering unparalleled GPS accuracy even in challenging environments like dense forests or urban canyons. This improvement ensures adventurers and athletes can rely on precise navigation no matter where their journeys take them. Enhanced satellite connectivity, combined with a more detailed topographical mapping system, solidifies the Fenix 8 Pro's position as the ultimate companion for exploration. Smartwatch capabilities, smarter than ever. The Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to focus on expanding its smartwatch functionalities. Improved compatibility with third-party apps, increased music storage, and enhanced notification handling are just a few of the anticipated upgrades. Support for LTE connectivity might also make its debut, enabling independent communication and emergency assistance without the need for a paired smartphone. These features make the Fenix 8 Pro not just a fitness tracker, but a comprehensive wearable that seamlessly integrates into your digital lifestyle. Price and value, a premium investment. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is expected to be priced between $899 and $999, similar to its predecessor. With features like an AMOLED display, advanced sensors, and extended battery life, the device offers excellent value for outdoor enthusiasts and serious athletes. Its durability and feature set make it a top contender in the high-end smartwatch market, ensuring it remains a worthwhile investment for those seeking the best in wearable technology. Why the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro stands out. The The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is more than just a smartwatch. It's a testament to the evolution of wearable technology. Its combination of rugged design, advanced features, and superior performance makes it the ideal choice for those who demand the best. Whether you're an adventurer exploring new trails, an athlete pushing your limits, or someone who values cutting-edge tech, the Fenix 8 Pro is tailored to meet your needs. Stay tuned for more updates and a detailed review once the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is officially launched. And as always, thank you for tuning in to technology in the future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest in tech innovations and reviews. See you next time.